Alt-Shift-L. Alt-Shift-N. Navigation activity updates for expand global navigation region. Menu. Tab. Posts. Tab. Updates. Tab. Retention center. Tab. My grades. Tab. Calendar. Tab. Courses submenu. Tab. Lay's course. Tab. ADA compliance and online course. Tab. 2017:1 Spring. MIME 4980 left parent merged right. Enter. Course news and dash 2017:1 Spring. MIME 4980 left parent merged right parent SPTP : leaving menus. Course Alt-Shift-L. Quick links heading level 2. Tab. Navigation. Tab. Navigation link. Tab. Navigation link. Tab. Course news link. Navigate to element course news of type H1 and 5980538. Tab. Content link. Navigate to L tab. My announcement tab. What's new link. Nav tab. To do link. Nav tab. What's past due link. Tab. What's due link. Enter. What's due heading level 3. Alt-Shift-M. Navigation region. Pete Rocco activity updates for expand global navigation region. Tab. Posts. Tab. Updates dash at tab. Retention center. Tab. My grades. Tab. Calendar. Tab. Courses submenu. Tab. 2017:1 Spring. MIME 4. Tab. Lay's course. Enter. Start here and dash Lay's course dash Mozilla Firefox. Leaving menus. Start here and dash Lay's course dash Mozilla Firefox. Page has 4 regions, 21 headings and 26 links. Link Lay's course. Same page link graphic course dash to dash course navigation.